If you're tired of dealing with messy paint jobs and want a more efficient way to get the job done, then it might be time to upgrade. That's where airless paint sprayers come in. Not only are they incredibly efficient, but they also deliver a smooth and professional finish. But with so many options out there, it can be hard to choose the right one. That is why in this video, I'll be going over the 6 best airless paint sprayers. Whether you're a professional painter or a DIY enthusiast, I'll have the perfect option for you. All the links to find the best prices on all the products mentioned in this video will be in the description below. Please note that the products mentioned in this video are in no exact order, so be sure to stay tuned so you don't miss anything. Number 6 is the Graco Truecoat 360 dual-speed paint sprayer. This versatile and user-friendly electric sprayer is best for DIY projects. With its powerful 1500 psi, you can expect flawless, professional results much faster than traditional brush and roller methods. Powered by a corded electric source with an 18-foot power cord, it offers ample reach for most indoor and outdoor projects. The sprayer includes 2 reversible spray tips, a 4-inch narrow tip for detailed work, and a 12-inch wide tip for larger areas, ensuring you can handle a variety of tasks with precision. Weighing only 4.5 pounds and featuring a compact design, it's comfortable to use for extended periods and easy to store. Graco's patented vacuum valve technology allows you to spray in any direction, even upside down, reducing mess and simplifying cleanup. The disposable flex liner bags further enhance the ease of cleaning by eliminating the need for messy paint cup washing. Additionally, the dual speed control lets you choose between low speed for detailed work and high speed for larger areas, and the stainless steel piston pump allows you to spray unthinned paint directly from the can. Renowned for its quality construction, this sprayer is built to last. Most users appreciate its ease of setup, use, and cleaning. So, investing in this sprayer means you'll effortlessly achieve professional quality results on all your painting projects. Number 5 is the Fuji SemiPro spray system. This is your perfect companion if you're on your way to becoming a professional painter. With a powerful 1400-watt 2-stage bypass motor, it delivers the performance needed for mid-sized to larger projects around your home or workshop. Operating at a maximum pressure of 5 psi, the HVLP technology ensures efficient material usage with minimal overspray, providing a professional finish without the professional price tag. The included 1.3mm air cap is ideal for medium to thin materials like stains, latex paints, and lacquers, while additional air cap sizes from 0.8 to 2.0mm offer versatility for thicker materials or finer finishes. The system comes with a 25-foot high-flex hose for ample reach and mobility. It's designed for easy cleaning and maintenance, with an M-model spray gun that disassembles quickly and stainless steel components that resist wear and tear. The quick-change turbine filters ensure smooth operation. Weighing 25 pounds, it's relatively portable with its compact size and included gun holder. Built to last, the metal turbine case and stainless steel components guarantee durability. The M-model non-bleed spray gun minimizes paint waste and offers adjustable spray patterns, while the convertible design bottom feed to gravity feed adds flexibility. The ergonomic stay-cool handle ensures comfort during extended sessions. Overall, it's the best option for achieving professional finishes effortlessly, making it a smart choice for any professional or DIY enthusiast. Number 4 is the HomeRight Quick Finish Paint Sprayer. This electric sprayer is a game changer for achieving professional-looking finishes on a variety of small projects without the hassle of brush marks or overspray. It's perfect for painting furniture, decor, crafts, cabinets, trim, and doors. Plus, it's ideal for beginners transitioning from brushes and spray cans to paint spraying. The HomeRight sprayer is designed with powerful performance in mind, featuring an electric power source that eliminates the need for a bulky compressor. Its 28 fluid-ounce paint container is perfect for smaller projects. With its adjustable spray patterns, including horizontal, vertical, and round, you can match any project's needs precisely. The material flow control lets you fine-tune the paint output for optimal coverage and efficiency. Using and maintaining this sprayer is effortless. The lock-and-go technology allows for quick disassembly, easy cleaning, and fast color changes. Weighing only 3.61 pounds, it's lightweight and portable, making it easy to maneuver without causing fatigue. Constructed with high-quality plastic, it promises durability and long-lasting use. While some customers have noted issues with the spray quality and clogging, many appreciate its ease of assembly and cleanability. With its user-friendly design, adjustable settings, and effortless maintenance, this sprayer could be just what you need to upgrade your painting experience. And if you want to know the latest prices of the airless paint sprayers discussed in this video, be sure to click the links below. And if you're having a good time watching this video, we would love it if you hit that subscribe button. Number 3 is the Wagner Control Spray Max Sprayer. This versatile paint sprayer is perfect for small projects, offering a professional finish and faster application than brushes or rollers. The electric-powered sprayer runs on AC power, ensuring consistent performance without worrying about batteries. It uses high-volume air at low pressure, around 2 psi, to atomize paint, delivering a fine finish with minimal overspray. It's equipped with a 20-foot hose, so you won't have to constantly move the machine while working. Plus, with 3 spray patterns, round, horizontal, and vertical, you can easily adjust to suit different surfaces and detailed areas. Setup and cleanup are a breeze, thanks to the included viscosity cup and straightforward instructions. While the sprayer is lightweight, its stationary base and long hose make it easy to handle without frequent repositioning. The combination of plastic and metal components ensures durability, and it comes with both a professional-grade metal cup and a larger plastic cup for various jobs. Customers rave about its appearance, value, and performance, with many noting the perfect paint finish and ease of cleaning. And because of it, it's a top choice for small DIY projects. Number 2 is the Titan Impact 440 Electric Airless Sprayer. This sprayer is a real powerhouse, designed for both DIY enthusiasts and professionals. It can handle 50 to 100 gallons of paint or coating per week, making it ideal for residential and property maintenance tasks. With a pressure rating of 3,300 psi, it can handle a wide variety of paints and coatings, including heavy-duty materials. The durable metal construction and Perma-Life cylinder, which never needs replacing, ensure long-lasting performance. On top of that, Quad Plus packings are designed to wipe away abrasive coatings, minimizing wear and tear. You can easily maintain it with the auto oiler, which delivers oil directly to the packings with a simple button press, and the PermaFlow filter protects the pump from debris. The electronic pressure control offers precise control, and the rapid clean function simplifies cleaning. The sprayer also features a Perma Prime valve for consistent priming and a SureFlow pusher valve for easy release of a stuck lower ball valve. Included with the sprayer is a 50-foot high-pressure airless hose and an RX-80 spray gun that provides comfortable operation and precise control. It also comes with a 517 spray tip, suitable for various applications, and you can purchase additional tips for different spray patterns. Weighing 36 pounds, it's a bit heavier than others on this list, but still maintains a relatively compact design, making it easy to transport around the job site. Overall, the Titan Impact 440 Electric Airless Sprayer delivers professional results with the convenience of residential use. Its durable build, innovative features, and ease of maintenance make it a fantastic investment for anyone serious about quality home improvement. Number 1 is the Graco Magnum PROX 17 Electric TrueAirless Sprayer. This is the overall best sprayer on our list and is the ultimate tool for large painting projects. It's perfect for property maintenance professionals, remodelers, and general contractors. It can handle up to 300 gallons annually, effortlessly covering interior walls, ceilings, and large exterior surfaces. Powered by a robust 110-volt motor, it delivers ample power for high-pressure painting with a maximum pressure of 3,000 psi. This allows it to handle unthinned paints, ensuring thick, consistent coverage every time. The included RAC 4515 switch tip enhances versatility, letting you quickly reverse the tip if it gets clogged. With a 150-foot maximum hose length, you'll have no trouble reaching multi-story homes or expansive work areas without frequently moving the sprayer. Cleaning is super easy with the power flush adapter that connects to your garden hose for fast rinsing, and the PROX change pump system allows for tool-free pump replacement, minimizing maintenance downtime. Despite its 32-pound weight, the compact stand design ensures easy transport around job sites. Built for durability, the PROX stainless steel piston pump and durable Duraflex hose promise longevity and reliability. Customers rave about its performance, ease of cleaning, and user-friendly design, making it a perfect choice even for those new to painting. Overall, you'll find this sprayer impressively well made and easy to use, simplifying your painting projects significantly. And there you have it. We hope this selection simplifies your decision-making process and makes your quest for the perfect airless paint sprayer much easier. And if you guys found this video valuable, we would love it if you hit that subscribe button. And be sure to check out the description for the links to find the latest pricing on all the products mentioned. Until next time.